All right, now that we have our boys area all set, we need to do our girls. And right now I haven't done anything in the girls area, so I'll take you through step by step the whole process. But we won't do all three, I'll just do one single one so that you get the idea. Okay, so we go to the girls case area, and then we want to add a gallery. And the case that we're going to be highlighting here, I'm going to do a little bit different type here. I'm going to use one of our products with the belt, which is actually in a horizontal mode, so that we can see how it works with the horizontal mode. Okay, so this one is called our pink butterflies case. So let me just go back here and type it in. And I'll go back out to my site and let's go and find that one, which is this one here. I'll paste that in, and we're going to make our buy button and link that up also to the same URL. And then we're going to add our image. But first we got to make our image. So let's go back to Photoshop. I'm going to paste or drag this one into my template, and we're going to have to resize it. And again, I'm going to leave a little bit of room around the image because I'm guessing that we're going to have some cropping problems if we don't. And let's accept that. Let's get rid of our other layers which are underneath. And let's go ahead and save that one. Maybe I'll sharpen it a little bit. Okay, then let's go back to Chatfuel and add our photo in. And there we go. It looks pretty good. See, by leaving some space around it, it actually fits quite well. And here I don't even need to crop it. Okay, so that's the process of building up an area with products and putting in information. You could add also, as I said, other types of buttons here that do other things, depending. Maybe you have more detailed product information and you want to load that in, so you could do that. You could also add a different type of card. So let's say we want to add our product information here. So let's go ahead and do that. And I can just copy some of this product information from our website. And we could add it in here then. Adjust my spacing a little bit here. And let's test this one out and see how it looks. Okay, so now we see the image plus the product information here. If you want to put more information about your products on the chatbot itself, you'll notice that when you add a text card, you can only put it underneath here. And that means that I cannot add another gallery picture here. I could add more pictures of the same product here, which might be a good idea. So for instance, let's go ahead and try that. Find some pictures here. For instance, here's a zoom up of that one. And let's find one other one. Okay, so I could have several different pictures here, which would look kind of nice. But I cannot put text under each one of these. I can only put text for one of the products here. So that means if I wanted to add another product, I would add another product here, another gallery card, or it could just be an image card. Let's see. Well, if I add just an image, it will be just the image here, and then I could put the text underneath, so we could do it that way. Let's take a look at how that works. And then I could add a text card here. Okay, I'll go and take the text here from my blue case. One thing you should notice is that there is a character limit here as to how much text you can put. So you just cannot put an infinite amount of text here. You're limited to a certain number of characters. Let's see, I believe it's 320. Okay, and that's also true of other places. For instance, here in the title, you're limited to 60 to about 70 characters, and here also about 80 characters. All right, let's go out and test that one then. Okay, one thing I want to show you here is that if you've closed Messenger and you've deleted the bot from Messenger, if you just go back to Chatfuel and pick Open Chatbot on Messenger, it won't show up. And oftentimes your new changes won't show up in Messenger unless you close it all out, delete it, and then reload the page. Pick Test Your Bot. It asks for confirmation of the account again. And then open on Messenger. Let's take our girls' cases. Okay, now we see we have a problem because our images for our pink skulls did not show up. If we go back to Chatfuel, we see that we're missing the titles here. If you don't input the titles here, this is a required field, and then if it's missing, it won't show up. So let's just put in something quick here. And then we go out and test this. And now we see that they're showing up in our gallery mode. Okay, so in this manner you can build up a little bit more information about your products. So you can put a gallery of images of the same product there, and then you can also put in text about it and a buy button. And you can do that then for several different products if you wanted to provide more detailed information about them.